So this is my very new channel. I have started this channel as the name of mostly Naaz. So मेरी सारी videos में मेरी journey होगी. Although I'm a Punjabi girl, तो मैं बहुत बढ़िया पंजाबी बोलती हूँ. But still I wanted to make my videos in Hindi so that ये ज़्यादा लोगों तक जा सके. आप सबके बीच एक और न्यू यूट्यूबर हाजिर है. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naaz and this is my very short introduction video. So as I am an international student here in the United Kingdom, so I will be uploading a lot of videos regarding my throughout the journey. इंडिया से लेके अभी तक जो कुछ भी मैंने फेस किया है, like my studies, my work experience, my rent, my food expenses, everything I will share with you. Because I wanted to start my YouTube channel from very long time when I was in India. But at that time there were a lot of other priorities which I have to see, just like my studies. So now after 4 or 5 years of thinking about my channel, finally I have started. I'm glad that I'm doing this and I'm pretty much happy doing this. And one more thing, I also want to see different cultures in the different countries. You will also see a lot of videos regarding the travel I do. और मैं आने वाले टाइम पे ट्रैवल करने भी वाली हूँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा. तो अगर आपको ट्रैवल वीडियोस पसंद है तो आप डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब कर लो अभी से ही. As I have purchased pretty much new things, 2-3 cameras I have already purchased. I will give you quick reviews about them and how I'm actually filming. So just to know the journey of this little girl who started from a very scratch and now living her dream life already. So I will be taking you all in this journey. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and also like my videos, and see you all in the next video. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.